Hey guys, I'm Chef Delz and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make these delicious Mexican eggs. They are packed with flavor with fresh ingredients like bell peppers, onions, garlic, some chopped coriander, some jalapenos and some red kidney beans. Now these eggs usually are topped with queso fresco, which is a fresh Mexican cheese, but we are going to use grated mozzarella, which is absolutely fine. Guys, if you haven't already, please do subscribe to my channel below. If you have any questions or queries or even a good comment, please let me know in the comment section below. Now, without any further ado, let's move on to the recipe. So for the base, you will require some fresh ingredients like bell peppers, coriander, onions, tomatoes, some boiled red kidney beans, some jalapenos, garlic, olive oil and tomato paste. We are going to chop up 2 small onions, 4 cloves of garlic, de-seed and chop 2 bell peppers and 2 tomatoes. Then heat about 2 tablespoons of olive oil in an iron skillet or an oven-proof pan. Add the chopped veggies to the pan and sautee them. Add about a cup of the red kidney beans and season this with salt, pepper and paprika powder. Then mix this up. Then add about 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, some cumin powder, chopped coriander and some chopped jalapenos. Now cook this till the entire mixture is heated through. Add about half a cup of water. Then crack the eggs on the surface of this mixture. Add some shredded mozzarella cheese. Sprinkle some chopped coriander. And put to bake at about 180 degrees Celsius for say 15 to 20 minutes. Or till the cheese melts and browns just like this. Then allow it to rest for about 5 minutes and serve hot. Check out those lovely layers. So guys, the detailed recipe is in the description below. If you have any queries, feel free to leave them in the comments below. And if you haven't already, please do subscribe to my channel for more easy recipes just like this one.